Hey guys, and today we are going to be making some slime with some body wash,
salt, and spoon. Cause you need something to mix in and something to mix with. Okay, so let's get started. Just kidding. Okay.
I put on fake braces.
First, you're gonna need body wash.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna pour a little bit in. Perfect. And it's kind of like Jello in it. Just a. It's kind of like Jello pouring it because it has an extra Jello.
Put the salt in right now.
A pinch. Because you don't want to add that much or it'll get all silky and stuff. So that's why you don't add that much. It's going to blend in.
I'm going to blend it.
So. It's already having like the texture. Yeah. And mix it just in case. Then you're gonna need more body wash.
You know it.
Don't put a lot. Wait until I say stop. Okay, stop. And so you're gonna add a little more.
Let me do it. I'm positive. Get the salt.
Then you're just gonna pour it in. Get it off your hand. I think we need a little more.
Yeah, let me do the job.
I mean, alright. Okay, not that much. And then you're gonna stir.
You always do everything. I'm taking everything away from you.
Okay? Perfect. And then while you're doing that, you're gonna add.
It's Jello.
I know.
That's Jello.
You're gonna add the shampoo coconut.
Oh, yes,
Because
I can't wait to do it.
The shampoo coconut is. This is how it's gonna look like.
Okay, here we go.
It's kind of like Jello. A little.
Okay.
Because the shampoo coconut. A little more. Because the shampoo coconut gives it its texture. And so, yeah.
Boots and cats.
I got that stuck in my head. And so you're gonna need. You're gonna need.
God?
No.
It's okay, guys.
You're gonna need the men's 3-in-1.
The what? Men?
Ocean, I think, sugar thingy.
Ocean sugar, that's what it says. Let me.
And it's shampoo.
It's only for men.
Shampoo, conditioner,
I
body
said
wash.
it's only.
It has everything in it. The shampoo, coconut, and body wash. So you're gonna add a little bit. I think this gives it its color. I don't know because I never tried this. With this. And then you're gonna add hot water.
I can't wait to put the hot water. We want the hot water. This one?
Yes.
Okay, we got the movie guys because it was on the sink.
Yeah.
We are gonna move this.
So this is how it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like this, still like Jello. Still gonna look like this.
Okay.
Wait till it gets hot. You're gonna have to pour it in your hands. No, don't put that much.
I only put a little bit.
Gosh. Pour a little bit out. And then you're gonna stir.
Wait, you wasted. It's Jello. Wait, why do I keep saying Jello? Slime. It might be better.
I'm sorry. And so it's
See, look, I'm so tall.
I'm like 1 week or 2 weeks older than him, so.
We are not in the same month. You're January, I'm March.
I'm just kidding. Like 1 month.
Yeah, this is gonna keep the color red.
You mean pink?
Pink.
I'm
Whatever.
gonna like take off the lid.
So we were playing a game. We were using these little rubber bands. And they go like this. It broke. Look, they go like this.
We're gonna need my mom's soap. So can you go in her room, in her bathroom? And I already got the bracelets, so it's your turn. No, just do it. You come with me.
I don't know where it is.
No,
I gotta go to the bathroom.
No, you come with me and hide it behind your back, and I'll just leave it. And then you come.
How about you go? Over here.
No,
Not really.
I can't do it by myself because I don't.
We'll see you guys later. We are gonna pause the video. We're back, guys. It's still for a cousin. So let's take you guys right over here. We were still doing the video?
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Okay. So we had to sneak that soap and gel from my mom. Because we had to... So why are you still whispering? Can I pour this in?
And doing gel first.
Can I do this?
No. I'm gonna do the gel, you do the soap. And you have to do the soap first.
I do the gel.
No, we're not doing the gel first.
I get to do all by myself.
Okay, I'm doing the gel. Cause no. Why did you take? Oh, never mind. I thought you take the big gel. Add more.
Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Okay. Look at that texture, Mom. Look, I'm beautiful.
And you're
how'd you make them?
You're gonna heat it for 5 minutes. I'm just kidding. 1 minute.
How are you gonna heat
I'm
it?
just kidding. 20 minutes. The thingy.
How do you heat it?
With the microwave. I know I'm a smarty. So don't tell me that.
No,
I'm mixing it. I'm mixing it correctly.
Oh, I got the texture, Mom. Yeah.
Okay, my turn. I gotta mix it now. And it's like a purple. It's like a purplish pinkish a little. Now we just made it silky.
So we messed up.
Perfect. Now we.
What? Was there supposed to be that much?
No, we need this. Add more gel. Not the gel. Add more before. Okay, I think we added too much. But okay. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video because this is annoying. Okay, so
They're knowing that we're in the bathroom.
Okay, so we have a freezer right there. So
No,
we're gonna put it in the freezer.
We're in the bathroom. This is not.
Okay, we have a freezer right there. My cousin's putting the freezer in there, and we actually have a freezer. He just doesn't know our house, cause like we bought a new house. So I'm messing with this.
For how long?
20 years.
20 minutes.
So we're putting it in the freezer for like
20
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Whatever.
Uh-oh.
And we'll set the time. Yeah.
Is it okay if it goes over 5 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes. And we can set that. Okay, so we're going to set the clock on here. So we're going to pause the video.
Oh, no.